Now, is this trinomial a perfect square? Okay, well, I've got three parts right here, so it is a trinomial. Okay, three parts, and this is a perfect square. X times x is x squared. This is a perfect square. If this is a square, the length and width are both 3. 3 times 3 is 9. But we don't know if this is the perfect number. Okay? Is this the right number here to have this to make a perfect square? All right. Well, when I see x squared, I think of x and x, don't you? And when I think of 9, I think of 3 and 3, don't you? But when you do the outside and the inside terms, is this the right number? Okay. Now, FOIL, FOIL, the outside terms are the 3 and the x. The inside terms are these two. And when you multiply them, you get 3x. My outside terms, I said, were these two. And you're getting another 3x. And when you add them up, well, how about that? You have the perfect number in the middle here, don't you? Okay? So one day somebody said, that looks like a smiley face. Well, it smiled at me all right, because this is the perfect number in the middle here for this. All right? So we get to write this x plus 3 written twice. We write it as a perfect what? 2 or square, right? All right, so the trinomial, which is made up of three parts, the x squared, the 6x, and the 9, is now a perfect square. And the sides of the square are x plus 3 for the width of it, and the length of it are x plus 3. And that number is just perfect. Okay, so yes, this is a trinomial square.